Hey, what's up, YouTubers? Horsefly here. You already know that because you're watching my videos. I haven't done one in a while, so figured I'd get out there and do one. Today I'm actually going out and I'm gonna go into town and look for a cage. How about that? And if you're new to motorcycles, a cage is a car. There's really nothing wrong with my car right now, and in fact it's probably stupid of me even to go out looking for cars. I've got a 2000 Pontiac Grand Am GT. Nothing wrong with it, runs perfectly fine. I just had one of the cylinders rebuilt last year. So today is September 8th. Nope, September 9th. 999 today. And I'm gonna go into town and check out the dealers, see what kind of vehicles they've got. Right now I've got no car payment, minimum coverage insurance, because I don't have to have full coverage because I don't have a car note anymore. So it's really just like a whim, I guess, that I'm going out on. But I would really like a new car, especially for this winter, because winters in Ohio, they're pretty bad. December winter and November winter isn't bad because the roads, they'll get cleared off right away. But in January and February, it gets really nasty because the road just will stay like a sheet of ice. And right now, my fiance and I, she has a CRV and I have the Grand Am. So I'd like a four-wheel drive vehicle. So we've been looking and checking them out. And seeing what we see. So I thought I'd take you guys along with it. See how pushy the salespeople are today. I went there yesterday. It was raining, and it was about 7:30 at night. So, and it was I guess it was a weekday, Tuesday, and there weren't any salespeople out. So that was nice, except it was kind of rainy. So thought I'd take you along for the ride. I know it's pretty much everything against motorcycles is to go out and shop for cars. But you gotta have one for the winters around here. Alright, so we are pretty close to the place, the dealerships. So maybe about 2 minutes and we'll be there. 3 minutes. The light's green right now. We probably won't get a green light. And it's red. But I'm turning right, so alright. So like I was saying, I'm going to the dealership just to look. See what they got. And it's just up here a little bit. I'm just gonna be checking out the Nissans today. That's probably the only dealership I'll grab into. Guy on a scooter, girl on a scooter. But I haven't really found any vehicles that have really been like, oh, I really want that. So I guess that's the point of me going here, is to find out what I really want. And of course they're going to want to sell me one today. So here's a dealership. Sure no one's going to rear end me. Alright, well, we'll see how long it takes them to bring someone out. So, the ones I'm looking at are the Xteras right now. They're pretty nice. 4x4s. So we're gonna check them out and see what's up. I don't know if you can read that or not. It says 15 miles a gallon, 20 on the highway. Star ratings based on risk of rollover in single vehicle crash. Does that mean the more stars it gets, the higher it's likely, or higher it's not likely? Well, I like it. They're nice looking vehicles. I like this blue one too. Oh, here comes the sales guy. How you doing?
My name's Kyle.
I'm just checking out the Xteras and probably some Altimas too.
Okay. Any questions or anything? Or?
Probably not yet. Eventually.
Okay. Well, let me give you one of my cards.
Sure.
And I'll be inside if you need anything.
Awesome.
If you just want to look around, that's fine. Got some booklets inside too if you need.
Are there any lease options going on with Xteras right now?
Xteras.
Not yet.
The closest thing would be the Murano and the Rogues. Those are the only two SUVs that really have leasing on them.
Okay.
I mean, you can lease these, but they're going to be...
Right. The payment, you might as well buy them.
Yeah, they're going to be way too high. But yeah, just the only SUVs they usually lease a lot of is the Rogues.
Okay.
All right.
Cool. Sounds good. Thanks. Well, that didn't take long. I didn't think it would. So these are all 4x4s, all time. Oh, there's a selector switch in there. That's cool. The Pathfinder is also 4x4. $36,915. That's great. Well, they're nice vehicles anyway. Those actually have a glass hatch that opens, the other ones don't. Five-star side crash, front seat and rear seat. Frontal crash, 4-star. Cool. Alright, well guys, I guess I'm gonna let you go. I'm gonna go check out some more cars. Probably check out the Altima. Maybe the Maxima. And, hey, we'll see you later. Don't buy Cage, it's not good for you.